Hello everyone, I am Pritam Bhadra. I'm a motivational speaker and a corporate trainer. I help professionals and entrepreneurs excel at their communication skills, develop their leadership capabilities, and master their digital presence. And today you are in the series wherein I'm discussing about how you can take your challenges to opportunities. So today we are discussing about the fourth strategy, that is focus on your next step. Yes, you got that right. You know what happens when we make goal settings, we have made the goal charts, goal settings, our dream destination, our dream job that we do, and we have a time plan. We have 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, how I'm going to look like, how my lifestyle is going to be when I retire. We think of that time, maybe 50 years from now. But there's one thing I want to tell you. When you think so big, so huge at that point of time, you get so worried that how I will do it, how I'll achieve it. If you're looking for financial freedom in the next 5 years, you'll be worried about how your lifestyle is going to be in the next 5 years rather than working on what you should do now. And you'll be worried about these 5 years, how to do it, what strategy should I implement, because the world is changing every single moment. Rather than that, in order to get clarity, you should be focusing on your next step. Have you ever gone through the highway at night? If you've gone through the highway at night when there are not many street lights, you will be able to see that your car, your bus, or whatever your vehicle is, the light it has is limited, right? Let's say for the coming 100 meters. So whenever your car goes, you trust the headlights of your car that the coming 100 meters is what you're going to go safely because you can see it. Okay, you can have the clarity, and when you reach the 100 meters, the light of your car will show you the next 100 meters. That's how again you have the clarity. The moment you have to take a turn, your GPS is going to show you that this is when you have to take a turn, and your light will give you the clarity of how to take the turn. That's how we need to be focusing on. Every single time that you face the challenges, don't think about what is going to happen 5 years down the line. Think about what you will do now in order to make this a better opportunity. That's how you transform a problem, a challenge, to an opportunity, by focusing on what to do right next. Because most of us focus on the core problem and we keep thinking about what is going to be its implications in the few years, in the few months, rather than focusing on our next step, and we get worried about it. And when we get worried about it, sometimes we panic, and because of which we lose it. I don't want you to lose it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the reason why I'm asking you to apply this strategy. That whenever you are in a problematic situation, think about what to do next. That will give you a clarity of what you can do after that, and then eventually you will get out of it for sure. So I'm sure that these kind of videos are really helpful to you. If that's a yes, make sure that you like and let me know in the comment section, and I will be always there in order to help you. You can always email me, DM me, and reach out to me, right? And I'll make sure that I have some great videos, these kind of great videos coming out every single week. Thank you so much for watching the video, and have a great day ahead. I'll see you